Alaska oil project approval as yet another climate concern. The Biden administration's approval of a massive oil development in northern Alaska commits the U.S. to yet another decades-long crude project, even as scientists urgently warn that only a halt to more fossil fuel emissions can stem climate. ConocoPhillips' Willow project would produce 180,000 barrels of oil a day at its peak, and using that crude would result in at least 263 million metric tons of greenhouse gas emissions over 30 years. Demand for oil isn't dropping as the planet heats, and a bitter political dispute over the project, which was approved Monday, has underscored the Democratic administration's struggle to balance economic pressures against pledges to curb fossil fuels. The proposal in the remote region north of the For Alaska, the state has felt the impacts of climate change. Coastal erosion is threatening indigenous villages. Unusual wildfires are popping up. Sea ice is thinning, and permafrost promises to release carbon as it melts. The International Energy Agency has said new drilling investments must be halted if nations, including the U.S., hope to reach their 2050 goal of net zero emissions. Yet global demand for crude is expected to continue rising, according to industry analysts and the U.S. Energy Information Administration. Instead of targeting domestic supplies of those fuels, including projects like Willow, policymakers should focus on reducing demand.